Hyundai Motor India Limited unveiled concept images of the next-generation accent, known as the Hyundai VERNA in some markets. The all-new Hyundai VERNA, which is designed to elicit intense and thrilling experiences, will make its global debut in India soon. Are you ready for the ultimate automotive experience? Our channel brings you the latest news, reviews, and insights from the world of cars. If you love cars and want to stay up to date on the latest happenings, hit that subscribe button and join us on the road. The all-new Hyundai VERNA exhibits a futuristic and ferocious appeal and was developed along the lines of Hyundai's global design identity of Sensuous Sportiness. The exterior of the brand-new Hyundai VERNA features aerodynamic and sleek proportions while maintaining a distinctly futuristic appearance, building on the synergies of parametric design language. New VERNA's silhouette highlights the sedan's iconic identity. VERNA's sixth generation is distinguished by chiseled surfaces that give it a bold and contemporary new look. A distinct fastback side profile with high-quality elements and details personifies the all-new Hyundai VERNA's futuristic demeanor. The design language of this sedan is carried over to the back, with the new VERNA displaying a seamless blend of innovative technology intertwined with a next-level, charismatic look. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. If you love this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We are always bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, so don't miss out. Thanks again.